Hello, friends. Today I am going to be talking about a very emotional subject related to COVID. In several groups, by several patients, and by even doctors, it has been felt that when the patient unfortunately succumbs to COVID and dies, the relatives are not allowed to be meeting and seeing the body for the final time. There are medical and epidemiological reasons for doing this, and we appreciate and want to comply with all that is needed to be done. But not being able to see the body or the face for the last time when the person is departing is a big emotional trauma, and the person who has left has gone but leaves bitter memories in the people who are left behind. People have been asking, and even some groups of patients are suspecting that the bodies are not being shown because the doctors or the hospitals want to use the organs for donation. So they harvest. This is absolutely impossible. No organ from a COVID patient can ever be used on any other recipient, so that is out. But the fact remains that emotionally it would be very easy if we had an access to the last time our relatives' appearance, also identification, and things can sometimes go wrong. And one who was thought to be and informed the relatives, the same relatives next day got a call from the hospital that please come and give this medication for your relatives. This was due to identification error. So we do not need to invent rocket science. How we see our relative or how the patient can be seen by our relative. My solution is in my title. How do we see? VC is video conferencing, and today there is hardly anyone who does not have a smartphone. Therefore, all the patients should request their doctors and hospitals to let them see, even if it is 2 or 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning, the relative after the demise, and it will give mental peace. It is required personally, socially, medically, epidemiologically, and medico-legally. So I request all the patients, all the doctors, and the hospitals who have not been implementing video conferencing before final rites by the hospital staff must invariably do this, and it will be a very good gesture on the part of the medical community to the patients and the relatives. Thank you very much for listening to this, and I hope that this very simple, uniquely available all over the globe maneuver will help set the mind at peace. Thank you.